Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining how to enable multiple languages in the Workspace. Let's get started.
Adding multiple languages to your app's workspace enhances user accessibility by allowing them to select their preferred language. This can be done in two ways. First, in your app canvas, on the left side, click the plus sign. Then, click Localization. Here, you will have two options, supported currency and supported languages. Clicking on the supported languages drop-down will allow you to choose another language to add to your application. The second option is in your project canvas. On the top right, click Project Configuration, then Language Management. Here, click Language Settings, and just like before, click the drop-down to select another language. For example, let's say we're adding Spanish to the project. Click Save Changes, and it will be added to the list. As you can see, none of the phrases are translated yet. To translate them, go to English and click the Translate button at the top. Wait for it to process. As you can guess, the more phrases there are, the more time it will take. Once the process is complete, we will see that in Spanish, all of the phrases have been translated. That's the end of our quick tutorial on adding multiple languages to your app. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.